Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to the Garden Decor Designs channel, where we help you cultivate beauty and function in your outdoor spaces. Today, we're diving into a topic that combines privacy, aesthetics, and horticultural artistry: modern fence garden design. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment, or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. A well-designed fence garden isn't just a boundary. It's an integral part of your landscape, offering structure, beauty, and even a canvas for your planting aspirations. We're going to explore how to transform a simple fence into a stunning garden feature that enhances your entire property. Let's begin by defining what we mean when we discuss modern fence garden design. Fundamentally, it refers to the intentional integration of fencing elements with landscaping to create a cohesive, contemporary outdoor aesthetic. This isn't about traditional picket fences or purely functional barriers. Instead, modern fence garden design emphasizes clean lines, often minimalist aesthetics, and the strategic use of materials that complement current architectural trends. Think sleek horizontal slats, sophisticated metal panels, or innovative composite materials. The design often focuses on maximizing visual appeal from both inside and outside the property, often acting as a backdrop for carefully curated plant selections. It's about creating a harmonious relationship between the hardscaping of the fence and the softscaping of the garden, resulting in a polished and refined outdoor living area that reflects a contemporary sensibility. This approach moves beyond simply installing a fence for privacy. It elevates it to a key design element that contributes significantly to the overall beauty and atmosphere of your garden. Moving on, let's consider the substantial benefits that a thoughtfully executed modern fence garden design can offer. Firstly, and perhaps most obviously, is enhanced privacy. Modern fences, particularly those with solid or tightly spaced panels, provide a much-needed screen from neighbors and passers-by, creating a more secluded and intimate outdoor sanctuary. Secondly, they significantly boost the aesthetic appeal of your property. A stylish fence acts as a strong architectural statement and a beautiful backdrop that can highlight your plants, define garden rooms, and elevate your entire landscape. This leads directly to the third benefit: increased property value. A well-designed, modern fence garden adds curb appeal and demonstrates attention to detail, which can be a significant selling point. Lastly, many modern fencing materials are chosen for their durability and low maintenance, meaning less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your beautiful outdoor space. Now, let's delve into the practicalities of designing your modern fence garden to achieve a truly beautiful outcome. The key lies in creating a cohesive vision that marries the fence's material and style with your plant choices and overall garden theme. Start by considering the fence itself, its height, color, and texture. Modern designs often favor natural wood tones, dark grays, or black, which provide an excellent contrast for lush greenery. Consider a limited color palette for your plants to maintain a sophisticated, uncluttered look that aligns with modern aesthetics. Finally, ensure there's a sense of flow and balance. The fence should feel like an organic extension of your garden, not just a rigid boundary. When selecting plants for your modern fence garden, the goal is to complement the clean lines and often muted tones of the fence while adding softness, texture, and bursts of life. Avoid overly ornate or fussy plants that might clash with a minimalist aesthetic. Instead, opt for plants with strong architectural forms, interesting foliage, or a more controlled growth habit. Drought-tolerant perennials like lavender or sedum can add splashes of color without requiring excessive maintenance, fitting the low-key elegance of modern design. Lastly, consider plants that offer seasonal interest, such as Japanese maples, for their vibrant autumn foliage, or certain viburnums for their spring blooms and berries. The key is to choose plants that enhance the fence's design, rather than overwhelming it, creating a balanced and visually appealing composition. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Hear these, the collection of the top 10 best modern fence garden design ideas to spark your creativity. One, horizontal slat cedar fence with integrated planters. This design utilizes warm cedar planks installed horizontally, creating a contemporary, expansive feel. Built-in planters along the base or integrated into the fence panels themselves allow for vertical planting, softening the wood and adding immediate greenery without taking up ground space. This provides both privacy and a cohesive, living wall. Effect. 2. Black metal panel fence with contrasting greenery. A sleek matte black metal fence, often with clean geometric cutouts or solid panels, provides a striking, sophisticated backdrop. Against this dark canvas, bright green foliage from plants like ferns, hostas, or even brightly colored succulents truly pops, creating a dramatic and modern visual statement. 3. Gabion wall fence with succulent infill. For a truly unique and robust modern aesthetic, consider a gabion wall. These wire cages filled with rocks or stones offer incredible texture and a strong industrial chic vibe. Integrating small pockets or shelves within the gabions to plant drought-tolerant succulents or sedums adds an unexpected touch of softness and life to the otherwise hard material. 4. Living wall fence system. This idea transforms your entire fence into a vertical garden. Modular panels or specialized growing systems are attached to the fence structure, allowing you to grow a diverse array of plants directly on the fence itself. This is ideal for maximizing greenery in small spaces and creates a dynamic, ever-changing living art piece. 5. Frosted glass or acrylic panel fence with backlighting. For a sophisticated and often ethereal look, frosted glass or acrylic panels can be incorporated into a metal or wood frame. These panels provide privacy while allowing diffused light to pass through. When backlit at night, they create a soft, glowing effect, transforming the fence into a luminous feature that highlights silhouetted plants in front of it. 6. Minimalist concrete wall with strategic planting pockets. A smooth, monolithic concrete wall offers a stark, modern aesthetic. To prevent it from feeling too imposing, design it with intentional cutouts or integrated pockets where specific plants can be grown. A single sculptural plant, like a dwarf, olive tree, or a cluster of architectural grasses, can make a powerful statement against the raw concrete. 7. Slatted composite fence with vertical herb garden. Composite fencing offers durability and low maintenance, often mimicking the look of wood. Using wide, horizontally oriented composite slats, you can attach small individual planters to create a vertical herb or edible garden. This combines functional gardening with a contemporary design, making it perfect for culinary enthusiasts. 8. Woven wire mesh fence with climbing vines. A more open, yet still modern option is a fine-gauge woven wire mesh fence. While it doesn't offer full privacy initially, it provides an excellent trellis for fast-growing climbing vines like bougainvillea, jasmine, or even edible grapes. The vines quickly create a green screen, and the minimalist wire structure remains visible, offering a subtle modern framework. 9. Combination material, fence like wood and metal. Blending different materials within a single fence design is a hallmark of modern aesthetics. Consider a fence with a solid lower section of dark-stained wood, topped with a lighter, perhaps vertical metal railing or a series of narrow metal bars. This contrast in materials and orientation adds visual interest and defines different zones within the garden. 10. Custom laser-cut metal screen fence. For a truly artistic and personalized touch, bespoke laser-cut metal panels can be integrated into your fence. These panels can feature intricate patterns, abstract designs, or even stylized natural motifs. When strategically placed, they create captivating shadow play with sunlight and become a unique focal point within the modern garden. As we conclude our exploration of modern fence garden design, it's clear that your outdoor boundaries can be far more than just functional barriers. They hold immense potential to become stunning features that elevate your garden's aesthetic and enhance your outdoor living experience. Remember, the principles we've discussed today, clean lines, thoughtful material selection, strategic planting, and integrating the fence into the overall garden design, are your foundation. Whether you opt for the sleek simplicity of horizontal slats, the artistic appeal of a living wall, or the robust charm of a gabion structure, the goal is to create a harmonious and beautiful extension of your home. We hope this guide has inspired you to reimagine your fences and transform them into captivating elements of your modern garden. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration on creating your dream outdoor spaces. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming content. We love hearing from you, so leave your questions and your favorite modern fence garden ideas in the comments below.